Las Vegas just went through something unimaginable: roofs torn off by fierce winds, wildfires igniting in the middle of the desert. This wasn't your typical dry summer. It was a direct consequence of our changing climate. And if you think you're safe because you don't live in a hurricane zone, watch this video until the end. It started when a major monsoon system swept in from the Gulf of California, bringing moisture, thunderclouds, and unusually powerful winds to southern Nevada. According to the National Weather Service, wind speeds in Las Vegas that day reached levels close to a Category 1 hurricane, nearly 75 miles per hour, 120 km/h. With gusts that strong, it's no surprise that trees were uprooted, power lines snapped, and thousands of homes lost electricity. But that wasn't the worst part. The winds helped spark a massive wildfire on the edge of the city. Flames spread rapidly, fueled by dry brush and desert shrubs, killing wildlife and threatening nearby communities. In just a matter of hours, Las Vegas wasn't a city of neon lights and casinos. It was a battlefield between humans and nature. The storm left behind serious damage. Over 10,000 households lost power. Major roads were blocked by fallen trees. Smoke from the fires filled the air, making it difficult to breathe. Many residents were forced to evacuate in the middle of the night as wind carried dust and fire into neighborhoods. Meanwhile, rescue teams and firefighters worked around the clock, battling the flames, clearing debris, and making sure no one was trapped in danger zones. And it left people wondering, how could a city built in the middle of a dry desert where it rarely rains get hit by monsoon winds and wildfires? What's really going on here? As someone who cares deeply about the environment, I don't see this storm as a freak accident. It's a warning. Climate change isn't some distant problem. It's here. It's now. Las Vegas is a city built in one of the hottest, driest, most flammable places in the U.S. Climate change raises baseline temperatures and creates unstable moisture conditions, making deserts even more vulnerable to fire. When monsoon winds bring in humidity and it meets scorching heat and dry vegetation, the fire risk explodes. Wildfires are becoming more intense across the U.S., from California to Arizona. And now, right here in Las Vegas. This isn't a coincidence. To their credit, Las Vegas residents responded quickly. Weather alerts were issued early. Emergency crews were on the ground within hours. Neighbors helped each other clear fallen trees, shared shelter, and kept each other informed. But when you zoom out, you realize all of these efforts, while crucial, were still reactionary. The bigger question is, what could we have done to prevent this in the first place? The issue isn't just the storm. It's how we continue to build, live, and consume energy as if the climate isn't changing. But it is, and it's changing fast. After every disaster, we face a choice: go back to business as usual, or change for the better. For Las Vegas, maybe now is the time to rethink how a city should grow in such a dry, fire-prone environment. We need more native greenery to help retain moisture and prevent soil erosion. We need to reduce overpaving because hard, heat-absorbing surfaces only make urban heat worse. We need stronger wildfire prevention systems not just in the city center, but in the outer areas where fires start. In the long run, we need to shift toward clean energy, cut emissions from vehicles and factories, and just as importantly, help people understand that nature is no longer predictable. Climate change is getting closer to all of us, and we can't keep living like nothing's happening. This isn't just Las Vegas's story. If it's the Nevada desert today, it could be your town tomorrow. Climate change doesn't care where you live or what time it is. It strikes suddenly, hits hard, and leaves devastation unless we're prepared. Whether you live in the mountains, by the coast, or in the heart of a city, the message is the same: pay attention to the environment around you. Start with small, meaningful steps. Conserve water and electricity. Plant more trees. Reduce plastic waste. And talk to your friends and family about what's happening to our climate. Every action, no matter how small, adds up to a bigger change. For today and for the future. The Las Vegas storm was terrifying, but even in that moment of chaos, we saw something powerful: courage, unity, and the resilience of people. Firefighters ran into the flames without hesitation. Neighbors opened their doors to help each other. Volunteers gathered food and delivered clean water to those in need. In the face of disaster, what shines brightest is human kindness. But if we don't change, storms like this will keep coming. Nature has spoken not just once, but many times. And now, it's waiting for our answer. Thanks for watching this episode of Raging Planet. If you found this story important, please hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more powerful insights on climate, nature, and humanity. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Some visuals in this video were used for illustrative purposes and may not represent the full event. Always stay updated with local weather alerts and have a safety plan ready for you and your family. See you in the next video.